In this video, let me show you how to fix Lyft map not loading during a trip. So if you come across this issue, let me show you a couple of things that you can try out. The first thing that you can immediately do is close out the app of Lyft, which means you can force close it, remove the Lyft app from the recent app list so that it force closes. Once you complete the force close, try to open up the app again and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue is still not fixed, the second thing that you can do is try to reset your connection. You can easily do that by turning on and turning off the airplane mode on your device. So make sure you first of all turn on the airplane mode, wait out a couple of seconds, then again turn it off. Using this method, you'll be able to reset your connection, and any sort of issues that may be causing due to the connection error should be now fixed. But however, if none of these solutions are working out for you, then in this situation, what you can also try out is try to clear the app cache. So simply tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, scroll down, head over to storage, and then simply tap on the clear cache option. Now, even after trying all of these steps and you're still having issues with it, the last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the application of Lyft from your device and then again re-download it. This ensures you have the latest version, and any sort of bugs which may be causing the issue will also be fixed. Also, while you're at it, make sure that you have not turned on the battery saver mode on your phone. So if you have turned on the battery saver mode on your phone, make sure you disable it as well. By following these few steps, you should be able to fix the Lyft map not working during a trip. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video.